Hello, in front of me I've got Sony Xperia Pro I. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay app. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay. Tap blue button at the bottom of the screen and select Loyalty, Gift Card or Public Transport. Firstly, let's go to Loyalty Card and select loyalty card you would like to add, for example Payback Poland. Now you can scan your card or enter details manually. Let's go back. And now let's enter gift card. Similar to loyalty card, select shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap save. And the last card you can add is public transport, and if you are able to find your public transport, select it, you'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.